Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Nigeria to receive money. While your Nigerian PayPal account allows you to make online purchases and send funds, directly receiving international payments from other PayPal users often requires an alternative approach. Many people successfully navigate this challenge by using trusted intermediary platforms, which can greatly simplify the process. This method helps you bridge the gap, ensuring your funds reach you safely. These specialized third-party services essentially act as a middleman, facilitating the receipt of funds on your behalf. They possess international PayPal accounts, allowing them to accept payments from senders worldwide. Once the funds are received, the platform then processes the transfer and sends the equivalent amount directly to your local Nigerian bank account. This provides a convenient and reliable way to access your money. Choosing the right intermediary platform is crucial for a smooth experience and peace of mind. Always look for services with a strong reputation, backed by numerous positive user testimonials and clear, transparent fee structures. It is also important to confirm their typical processing times, as well as the availability of their customer support, ensuring you can get help if needed. Thorough research protects your funds. The process is generally straightforward once you have selected your preferred service. First, you will need to register an account and complete any required verification steps, which usually takes only a few minutes. Then, provide the sender with the specific payment instructions generated by the platform. They will send the money to the platform's international PayPal account. Finally, the service transfers the equivalent amount to your designated Nigerian bank account, often within 1 to 3 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.